see another day. Give thanks, give thanks. Another day, you get the praise. Give thanks, give thanks. Again, Lord, me thank you for your plenty mercies today. Because surrounded by many mercies, when we seek, we say you heal me, that I'm getting mercy. Me just fall upon the name and see like seven mercy, Jesus. But my name is very dirty. True, them see God bless me, then my rush and curse me. One man to me bloodless, and them say we thirsty, them man blind not because they won't come past thirsty. But if you see another day, just give thanks, give thanks. Again, another day, you need to pray. Just give thanks, give thanks. Oh, we say, you see another day, give thanks, give thanks. Again, another day, you get to pray. Give thanks, give thanks. Lord, may I be something. I don't know no one in a big bouncy no. The devil in my trying to stop to me life, but God make it clear, yes, it continues and yes. May I give a thanks with that. Me say thanks, give some me say no bring the fancy chapter. The devil in my home like a Nancy, but what? I love me, but I respond to that. So if you see another day, just give thanks, give thanks. Again, another day, just give to pray. Just give thanks, give thanks. Just give thanks, just see another day. Give thanks, give thanks. Another day, I get to pray. Give thanks, give thanks. No? Listen and listen and listen and listen. You know, next verse. Somebody else. Who's up next? Never. Let them hear you. Let's go. Recording stopped. Good afternoon. I don't have an original song, but I'll sing this very old one, and I hope it'll be a lesson. Oh, what a love my God has given me. It is a love with an endless guarantee. What good have I done for God to send His Son? He bled and died to save a wretch like me on Calvary in agony, and it's gone, brotherly love. I got to be dreaming about the love like this, and if I'm really dreaming, I wanna dream the rest of my life. I got to be dreaming about the love like this, and if I'm really dreaming, I wanna dream the rest of my life. This is my soul that cannot say. Intentions done, it sinful word to say. Eternal life to me He has given, and I've been given to live with Him in glory. He has borne my shame. I wanna wear His name. He took my sins away, and they're gone, gone, gone. From the love I've got to be dreaming about a love like this. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna do the rest of my life. I gotta be dreaming. I gotta be dreaming. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna do the rest of my life. Baby, the things I told and never say. That just so simple world to say. Eternal life to me, He has given. And I've been prepared to live within me. He has borne my shame. I wanna wear His name. Took my sins away, and they're gone, gone. I got to be dreaming about the love like this. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna spend the rest of my life. I gotta be dreaming about a love like this. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna live the rest of my life. I gotta be dreaming. Gotta be dreaming. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna live the rest of my life. I gotta be dreaming. Dreaming. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna live the rest of my life. And if I'm really dreaming, then I wanna dream the rest of my
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. But of course, everybody got hungry with us.
Not at all. Just say joy shine in my soul.
Hello. You know, it is good when you have people can visit, don't?
Yes, sure, right.
I'm sure. Hi, my friend. Long time no hear my friend. Now, when I show up on me, no, because mommy and daddy there.
All right. All right.
But when I show up, because mommy and daddy there, you know, one show them, one show yourself in here. So, what was up? She come in. I know we ever had something to it. But I want your phone too. Hey. But I want your something. You don't say anything. Come here. It's a family affair. I will call mommy and daddy too. Hey. But because mommy had to give me a blessing, you know that.
When I think how Jesus died, and for my sins He was crucified.
So